failed. It's raw. It didn't work. The banana batter is raw.
It tastes really good.
Yeah, but you're eating raw banana batter. I can't believe you ate all that.
I want to eat that too.
No. Hey, honeys. I'm so glad you're back because today we're going to be making this amazing, delicious vegan recipe, which is going to be banana bread on a stick. Okay? Banana bread on a stick. How fun and exciting is that? Okay, I can't wait to show you guys how to make this. I was inspired by Tasty because they did this recipe and I just saw it recently and it's freaking awesome. So I'm gonna be sharing this with you. Before we get started, I just wanna remind you to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I'm here giving you so many vegan sweet and savory dishes for free weekly. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe. So all you need is 5 ripe bananas and the first thing you're gonna have to do is peel your banana. Then you're gonna chop off the ends of the banana, like so. And you wanna save the ends, okay? Because we're using this in the recipe. So then you wanna take the banana and a stick. Now you can use a popsicle stick, like whatever wooden stick that you have in your kitchen. This is the only stick I have. Since I'm Greek, it's no surprise I have a souvlaki stick in my kitchen. So what you're gonna do is you're going to basically insert the stick inside the banana and then you're going to place it on parchment paper and you're going to freeze it for about 1 hour, okay? So how easy was that? So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of the 5 bananas and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I inserted the wooden sticks inside my bananas and now I'm going to place these in the freezer for about an hour. And after an hour, we're going to take them out and we're gonna make the banana cake batter, okay? So I'll see you guys in an hour. So our bananas have been in the freezer for an hour and we're gonna take them out, but before we do that, we're going to make the banana cake batter. So what we're doing is we're using the ends, so don't forget to save the ends of the bananas, and we're placing them in a bowl, and now we're just going to mash all these ripe bananas up until they're nice and creamy. Now that our bananas are nice and creamy and smooth, we're gonna go ahead and add in the rest of the ingredients. So starting with the oil. So now you're just gonna stir that up. You can go ahead and add in the brown sugar or white sugar. Okay guys, the smell of the bananas and the brown sugar is so delicious. Look at it, beautiful. Just stir that up until the oil is mixed in with the bananas and the sugar has melted. At this point you can put in vanilla. I don't have any on hand, so I'm gonna skip that, but I'm sure it'll taste really, really delicious. So now we can go ahead and add in the dry ingredients. So we're gonna put in some flour, the baking powder, and a lot of cinnamon because I love cinnamon so much. So what we're gonna do now is try and mix this all up without getting it on the counter. So just keep mixing it until all the ingredients are nicely combined and it's nice and smooth. Because remember that we're gonna be dipping in our frozen bananas into this batter mixture so that we can fry it. So what we're doing now is we're gonna place the banana cake batter into a cup, which is sort of like in a tubular shape, you know, so that you can dip the bananas in. So I'm gonna go and get the bananas out of the freezer and then we're gonna dip them into this amazing, delicious, it smells so good, banana cake batter. So the oil is just about ready, so now we're gonna dip our bananas into the batter. And now we're going to remove the banana like so. Okay guys, so we're putting it in the oil and we're gonna fry it until it's golden brown. Okay guys, so I removed our banana from the oil and this is what it looks like, nice and golden brown. And now we're gonna place it on a plate lined with some paper towel just to absorb some of the oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest and I'll see you guys when I'm finished. So our banana breads on a stick are ready and they smell fantastic. guys, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna dust them with some icing sugar. And if you want, you can dip these in some chocolate or caramel just to give it a little bit more flavor. And so let's do that, guys. Let's dust our banana bread on a stick with some icing sugar, and then we're gonna give them a try. All right, friends, it's time to dust these with some icing sugar. Oh yeah. Guys, these smell incredible. I can't wait to try them. Okay guys, so our dessert is ready. And I just want to say that I think it was a really bad fail because this is how they turned out, although they don't look that bad. I'm gonna try one right now and I'm gonna see. See? It failed. Okay, that's okay. Let's just try it anyway, okay? Okay. It's raw. It didn't work. The banana batter is raw. So, plus it's falling through.
What do you mean it failed? Let me see that. It looks good.
No, it tastes good. I mean, raw banana batter and banana. I mean, come on. And icing sugar tastes fab, but...
It tastes really good.
Yeah, but you're eating raw banana batter. And look, you guys see what happened here? It's sliding off the stick. I am really, really disappointed.
Okay, so this was a fail recipe.
This was a fail recipe.
But I'm gonna eat it anyway.
It's good though, right?
It
Like the
tastes
taste
good.
is actually really, really good.
I like the taste.
But, oh no. Let's break it open.
So what's wrong with the batter? I don't get it. What's wrong with the batter?
Okay, look. You see, that's raw batter. That means that it didn't fry in well enough. All right? Maybe I did something wrong. Maybe it was me.
Yeah, but if you look at Tasty's video, the batter looks exactly like that on the inside.
On the inside?
Yeah.
Does it?
Mm-hmm.
Does it?
So maybe it didn't fail. It tastes good, so I don't
Well,
know.
it failed in the sense that it's like sliding off the stick. Yeah, I'm really disappointed because I really thought this was gonna work out. That's okay.
It's okay, it worked out for me. I'm such a fat ass.
You are. I can't believe you ate all that.
You want to eat that too?
No,
Oh, you like it?
it's not good for you.
So it's good.
It's raw.
Who cares?
But
Tastes good.
it does taste good though.
Tastes good.
It does. Okay guys, so I'm so disappointed because I really wanted to enjoy these banana bread dessert thingies on a stick, but they didn't work out. For those of you that dislike the video, please hit the thumbs down button. And guys, I'm going to be sharing with you a video very soon, and it's going to be a recipe that actually works. So I'm going to be sharing a recipe with you very soon. A video is going to be coming just around the corner. And that goes to show, you know, it's better to stick to your own recipes and just, you know, be original. But because I really love some of Tasty's recipes, and this one just looked amazing, I really wanted to do it for you guys. But oh, but you know what? I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna nail it. I'm gonna get it right. So yeah, when I do, I'm gonna make another video on this, and you guys will have the perfect recipe. So okay, guys. So thank you so much for watching. And even though this recipe was a fail, I hope you still subscribe to my channel because I have a lot of recipes that work and are delicious. So I'll see you guys next time.